Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So, on today's episode, I'm presenting a brand new innovation by Fictech, a European company that specializes in ceramic coatings and premium car detailing products. I've reviewed their lineup before, and this is a brand new one. It's called Fictech One. This is a sprayable ceramic coating. So, I know it's all the craze lately, but this is not just your ordinary spray wax infused with SiO2 technology. This is an actual ceramic coating, over 20% of SiO2 content, for those of you who look for those numbers. And this product offers up to 1 year of protection, so quite the innovation, super easy to use. Of course, it's meant for the DIY person that my viewers are out there, so whether you're a weekend warrior or an enthusiast that wants something applied, or even a mobile detailer that wants something that can be applied very quickly and give up to a year of protection. So in this video, of course, we're going to talk about the product. You're going to see it in action. I'm going to give you the tips and tricks and the tutorial on how to properly apply it, and we're also going to show the hydrophobic properties. So yeah, a jam-packed video, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said at the beginning, today I'm presenting an innovation from a French company called Fictech. They specialize in ceramic coatings and premium car detailing products. And today I'm presenting Fictech One. This is a sprayable ceramic coating. So again, not just your typical spray wax infused with a bit of SiO2 or unknown numbers of silicon dioxide. This one here actually has over 20% of SiO2 content. Now, I don't go crazy over numbers because I prefer to actually see how the product performs, but I know many of my viewers look for those types of numbers, so that's what it is. Basically, this 100 milliliter bottle, or 3.4 ounces, is enough to cover one average size car with 2 coats. So you get 6 months of protection out of your first coat, and then after 6 months, you apply the second coat, so you get up to 1 year of protection out of a single bottle, and that's why they call it Fictech One. Now, don't worry guys, by the way, I'll make sure to include the links to the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But I also did a Fictech review, so a brand review of their entire range of car detailing products on my channel. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll make sure to include the link up here and also in the description under the video. So let's get back to the product. Well, like I said, this product here is meant for the DIY. So the weekend warrior, the person that's a car enthusiast and wants to protect their vehicle, and even for professionals, if you're a mobile detailer out there and time is of essence and is important, we all know that time is money. This is very, very easy and quick to apply. As you're going to see in the video, this SUV, mid-size Mazda CX-5, I was able to do in 10 minutes. So the application process is very, very quick. Of course, you want to make sure to properly prep the paintwork beforehand. So like for any type of protection, I always recommend that you go through the proper steps, and we'll go through that in just a couple of seconds. But essentially, this is a spray-on, a wipe-off product. There is no time to wait for it to flash. You buff off right away, and 12 hours later, so 12 hours of curing time, and you're good to go. You can expose your car to the elements. So to apply, pretty simple. First of all, let's go through the steps and motions of what I did for the SUV. Essentially, you go ahead and do a pre-wash stage with the foam cannon to lift and encapsulate any loose dirt and contaminants. Then you properly wash the body of the vehicle or the paintwork with your favorite microfiber wash mitt and the 2-bucket method, or how many buckets you guys use. Then we go ahead and do a chemical decontamination with an iron remover to remove any embedded iron particles. If you have a previous ceramic coating, of course, well, you can go ahead and do the clay bar stage as well if you have any embedded contaminants in the clear coat. And the other step is to do machine polishing. So this will remove any previous ceramic coating or protection that you might have on your vehicle. So you want to start fresh with a clear and unprotected clear coat. That's very important. So machine polishing will remove any previous protection and also remove any scratches and swirls if you have before sealing it in with a long-term protection like a ceramic coating. Once you're done machine polishing, you're going to remove any leftover polishing oils or contamination with an IPA wipe down. So now that you have a clear and unprotected surface or a virgin clear coat, you go ahead and apply Fictech One. Now this is pretty simple. Of course, I always recommend you read the instructions, but my God, did they make this super simple. So you work in 2x2 sections. You basically shake the bottle up to make sure that you distribute the liquid in there properly. You do a couple of spritzes in your 2x2 section. You take a clean and dry microfiber towel and you immediately wipe off to level the coating. There's no flash time, so you basically spray on, wipe off, and that's it. You move on to the next section. This is pretty quick. An average size SUV like this one, or a compact I should say, because it's a Mazda CX-5, took me roughly 10 minutes. So this here is very, very quick to apply. The results, as you're going to be able to tell through the footage, a lot of gloss, a lot of slickness to the paint, which is always what we like. Of course, you get the added protection of the UV protection in there, and the vehicle is going to be a lot easier to clean during maintenance washes thanks to the self-cleaning properties of a ceramic coating. So very, very easy to maintain. And 6 months later, you repeat the entire process. You don't have to polish at that point, but you do the pre-wash, the washing, the decontamination, and then the IPA wipe down, and you apply the second layer, and then you're good for another 6 months. Well, don't forget, when you apply the product, you have to let the vehicle sit without any water or rain for a period of 12 hours while the coating is curing on the paint. That's key, very important. So don't expose your vehicle to water or rain for 12 hours. And then after a week, I like to let the vehicle continue curing for about a week. Then you can start washing your vehicle if you wish. Fictech has their own ceramic bubble car shampoo that's infused with SiO2 if you want a good maintenance shampoo, or any pH neutral shampoo that you guys have can do the trick as well. So that's it. As you guys saw, pretty awesome. Now for the hydrophobic properties, meaning how well the water beads up in those tight beads that we all like to see, because that's a visual indicator that there's some type of protection on the paint. And also the sheeting properties, so how quickly the water sheets off the vehicle, making the drying stage a lot easier because the water doesn't want to stick to the paint. And also the dirt, that's when you're going to see a lot less dirt sticking to the vehicle, so it's a lot easier to maintain. It looks clean for longer, and just a great innovation by Fictech. So a quick note, guys, about Fictech One. For the purposes of this video, I went ahead and used it as a standalone product. So the paint was fully decontaminated and stripped of any previous protection, so we can test the true properties of the product, and that's how you can use it. But you can also use this on top of an existing ceramic coating that you have on your car, so you can use this as a top coat or a maintenance topper. It's going to help to boost the properties of your existing ceramic coating, so extend its durability, boost hydrophobic properties, add a bit of gloss and slickness, and yeah, it's just an awesome product. So standalone or on top of an existing ceramic coating. And to answer a commonly asked question by my viewers, you do not apply ceramic coatings on top of waxes or paint sealants because those products aren't compatible with ceramic coatings. So again, use these as standalone products or on top of existing ceramic coatings. Again, guys, I'll make sure to include the links to the product in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. But I also want to give a big shout out over to Fictech and also to Phil at Detailer's Domain for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. So shouts out to you guys. Make sure, again, if you want detailing services done to your car and you're in the tri-state area in USA, so New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, you can also check Phil's website out, Detailer's Domain, because he distributes car detailing products, but also does amazing jobs with detailing cars out there. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, as usual, smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. If you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, click the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way, you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, as usual, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.